I'm going to show you how to publish your package on Packagist. First, you have to have this composer. Install this composer on your device. You must have an account on Packagist and have a GitHub account. So I'm going to start by creating a folder in my WAM server. If you're using LAMP, you can create a folder. Then I use MD. Now you impute composer in it. Yes, the vendor name I want it to be somehow doing royalties like QR generator. Execution is simple. QR generator. Auto. Some royalty. Stable. Library. License. Keep the license. No. Skip this. Yes. So once this is complete, you check your folder, you will have all this. So I will just go to my VS Code, open folder. I'll go to the folder I just created, which is this QR code generator, and then open the source. This is not there, but it's my code. So I'll go to the composer here, copy this generator, go to the source file, create a new folder and new file in the source file, call that like that, and you paste your code, copy your code and paste it here. So I've written my code. You can see somewhere QR generator, and just have to close this. So since I'm using namespace, I'll just remove this. So I'll quickly run a test on this new file, index.php. I'll quickly run the test before publishing to ensure that the code is correct. So just require vendor / autoload. Then I will just declare, just call an object of the class, let's say A. But no, at first, since I use a namespace in the code, I use a namespace, I'm just gonna use this, which is use this / that QR generator. And then I'll just say A test is equals to new QR generator. Now let's say test download. I'll just put in the size, which is I can use 500, but I'll be using 400. Then I'll add the color. I want that to be black. Like this. That's all. So I have created a QR code generator. Now I have to go to the URL. I have to go to that page, localhost QR code generator. So the code is working. if you click on this, you can see black. You can also change that, but I'm not teaching you in this video how to use that. Showing you how to upload. So now that we have the right code, I'll just delete this and just come here, source control, click on source control here, publish to GitHub. So you can see here, publish QR code, public, click on public, then okay. You can see that is publishing to GitHub. Okay, click on this. Okay, so we have to set my once that is done, wait for it to commit and push. Okay. can see that we have all our data, all our folder. Move to this Git repository. So all you need to do is just to copy this Git now. Copy this Git, go to Packagist, click on Submit, and just paste it in. Click on this. So now this package is now updated. This setup gives you a package so it gets updated whenever you push. So we have to set that up. But for now, if you try to create a new folder, let's just create a new folder and just call it new folder test. On this test cmd, and I just require this now. Installation filter. Okay, do that again. Okay.